Student, good morning. Standard 10, subject maths, chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Pair of linear equation in two variable. In earlier classes, in standard 9, I was studied about linear equation in two variable. Now, introduction, a definition of pair of linear equation in two variable. Pair of linear equation in two variable, an equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c belongs to R. And that means a, b and c are real numbers, and a and b not both 0 simultaneously is called a linear equation in two variable. Variable is x and y. Variable is x and y. Geometrically, the graph of linear equation in two variables is straight line. In standard 9, I was studied the graph of linear equation in is also a straight line. Is solution of pair xy of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. That means x and y are solution of this equation. If we put the value of x and y in this equation, if we get answer 0, then x and y is a solution of this equation. Clear? Now draw a graph of linear equation in two variable was taught in class 9. We are studied. Clear, student? Now in standard 10, solution of linear equation, different type of solution of linear equation in two variable. Graphical method, cross multiplication method, elimination method, different type of substitution method. Four different method we are studied here. Clear? Okay. Now student, now pair of linear equation. Look at here, general term of pair of linear equation. a1x plus b1a, b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Here we have pair of linear equation. We have two equation, linear equation. That's why it's called pair of linear equation, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers. Then a1 square plus b1 square is not equals to 0, a2 square and b2 square is not equals to 0. This one is condition of linear equation. If the condition is satisfied, then it is linear equation in two variable. Clear? Some example of pair of linear equation in two variable. Look at here. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7 and 5x minus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0. The coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 3, and constant term C1 equals to 7. Clear? C1 is equals to minus 7. And second equation, coefficient of x, that means a2 is equals to 5, b2 is equals to minus 2, and c2 is equals to 3. Clear? This one is pair of linear equation in two variable. Second example is 5x is equals to y. Here constant term is 0 and 7x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. Here a1 is equals to 5 and b1 is equals to minus 1. Go inside, then minus 1. c1 is equals to 0 and a2 is equals to minus 7, b2 is equals to 3 and c2 is equals to 5. Clear, student? Similarly, some example, x plus y is equals to 7 and y equals to 17. Y equals to 17. Here variable x is not present. Clear? This equation also called a linear equation, pair of linear equation. In earlier standard, we are studied the graph of the linear equation. Graph of the pair of the linear equation is, we have three options. The graph of the pair of linear equation is intersecting, is parallel, otherwise it is coincident. Clear? If the graph of linear equation is intersecting, the two lines will intersect at a point. So they have unique solution. If the graph of the pair of the linear equation, the graph, when we draw the graph, then they are parallel. They are parallel. They have no solution. If the graph of the pair of linear equation is coincident, then they have infinitely many solutions. Clear, student? Okay, thank you.